everyone, welcome to Legacy IAS. So in the first part of this direction sense, we had seen the very basics of it, which are the basic directions, what basic mathematical concepts we'll be using. Okay, now we'll be starting with doing some basic questions. Now, basically, in these questions, what you will find, they will give you something about a man's movement, and based on that, you need to tell me in which direction is he going now. That is the usual crux of it. Now, what it says, first one, a man is facing west. Okay, a man is facing west. West is this direction. Then turns 45-degree clockwise, then 180-degree clockwise. In which direction is he facing now? Now, so 45-degree clockwise, he is facing west. From here, 45-degree clockwise will be which direction? Clockwise is this direction, correct? Going from 12 to 1. So 45-degree in this direction will be here, somewhere here. So this is 45-degree, reaches here. Then this is in clockwise direction. Then 180-degree in clockwise direction. Now, if he has traveled 45-degree here, then after that again 180-degree in clockwise direction more. So from here, 180-degree is what? 180-degree angle is simply, if you go opposite, directly opposite. So 180-degree is, this is 90-degree and this is also 90-degree. So that means for 180-degree, you go in a straight line like this. So from here, you go straight line. So you reach here. This is 180-degree clockwise. Now, in which direction have you come? This direction is what? You know by that diagram. This is what? This is southeast. So southeast becomes the answer. Correct? Unless otherwise mentioned. Now here they have given 45-degree, but even if they give 30-degree and then you go opposite, then also you count it as southeast. Southeast should be ideally be exactly at 45-degree, but that is not always given. So approximate also, if it is coming, it's fine. Here it is coming out to be exact. So southeast. Simple. You start here, then clockwise 45-degree, then 180-degree clockwise. So you reach southeast. Then next question. Next question says, a man is facing west. Okay, a man is facing west still. Then he turns 45-degree clockwise. This is same as before. So 45-degree clockwise I have turned. Now he reaches in this direction. Then 180-degree clockwise. Okay, so 180-degree clockwise will be exactly opposite. So this is 180-degree clockwise. Now after this, then 270-degree anti-clockwise. Now from here, now he has reached here. Now he has to go 270-degree anti-clockwise. Now see how this will pan out. So 270-degree he has to go. So first he goes anti-clockwise. So 180-degree, this is done. So of 270, 180 is done. Then after that, 45 more is done. 270 plus 45 is 225. Now 45 more. So 45 more will be somewhere here. So he will reach this direction. Which direction this is? This is southwest. So southwest becomes the answer. Okay. So what he did? 45, then 180, then 270 back. 270 back. That way he reaches here. That is southwest. Now, this is of course one way of doing this. Now another way that you understand now see, yeah, so another way of doing this is understand like this. So I have two pens like this. Now if I turn one of them here, so this comes here, one of them comes here. Okay, let's draw with different colors. So I have one pen here and I have a red pen also right here. Now I turn the red one 90 degrees. So it will start looking like this, and the red one will come here. Correct? Now, so I say first I turn it red one 90-degree clockwise and then 90-degree anti-clockwise. Now I turn it 90-degree clockwise, so it goes like this. Then I have to turn it 90-degree anti-clockwise again. So what will happen? This will again reach here. So this reaches here and here. What angle they came to? They became same as before. Why? Because I first did 90-degree clockwise, then 90-degree anti-clockwise. So I got to the same position. That means clockwise and anti-clockwise cancels each other out like plus and minus. So now we will be using this. Now see how I can use this. So I assume that clockwise is equals to right is equals to positive. So clockwise is positive, anti-clockwise is negative. Now I solve it like an equation. So man is facing west. So he is facing west. So this is fine. Then after that, he turns 45-degree clockwise. 45-degree clockwise is positive. Why? Because clockwise we have considered positive. Then 180-degree clockwise, so plus 180. Then 270-degree anti-clockwise, so minus 270. This becomes what? Minus 90 plus 45. That is minus 45 degree. Now minus 45 degree means what? From west. Minus 45 degree means what? 45 degree minus means anti-clockwise. That means you started with west, then you have to simply go 45 degree anti-clockwise. Where you will reach 45 degree anti-clockwise if you go, you reach south west. Directly this becomes your answer. You don't even need to draw any diagrams, nothing. Just solve it like simple equations. Then let's solve it similar way. A man is facing towards southeast. Okay, no problem. Facing towards southeast. Then turns left. Turns left 90 degrees. Then right 135 degree. Okay, okay. So left is equals to anti-clockwise. That I have considered to be negative. Right is equals to positive. So let's do this. A man facing towards southeast that I have drawn turns left 90 degrees. So left means what? Negative. So minus 90. Then right 135 degrees. So plus 135. Then left 180 degree. That means minus 180. Then right 45 degree. That means plus 45. Then left 45 degree. Left 45 degree means minus 45. Continuously. In which direction is he facing now? Now it is very easy. I have not drawn any diagram, but you can see 45 and 45 cancel out, and you get here 135. 135 minus 90. 135 minus 90 is plus 45. Plus 45 minus 180 comes out to be what? Minus of 135 degree. Now minus of 135 degree means what? 135 degree anti-clockwise. That's it. So you are in southeast direction and you have to go 135 degree anti-clockwise. So from here, if you go 90 degrees, you will reach northeast. Remember, between minor directions we have 90 degree. So now after 90 degree, you have to move 45 degree more. So from here, if you move 45 more, where you reach? You reach the north direction. Simple. This is 135 degree. From southeast, you go. This is 45 and then 90 more. That is 135 degree in anti-clockwise direction where you reach north. So north becomes your answer. Okay, then yeah. Now let's do this. A person is going towards west direction. Okay, west direction. Then turns 45 degree left. Here left will be what? Left will be above or below? Below. So he goes 45 degree like this in the below direction. So 45 degree he goes left, that is anti-clockwise. Then and walk some distance. Okay, okay, wait. So a person is going west, then he turns 45 degree left and walks some distance. So from here he turns 45 degree left. 45 degree left means in this direction he will turn, and then he'll start moving 135 degree towards going in west direction, then turns left 45 degree, walks some distance, then now he is in this direction now, then turns left, 135 degree. From here again he goes 135 degree left, that means again anti-clockwise. So 135 will be somewhere here. So this is, if this is 45, this will be 135 degree. So now he reaches east, turns left and walks some distance, then turns right 45 degree. So from here what he'll do, he'll turn right. So here right direction will be here. So here he goes 45 degrees. Now he is somewhere here and walks some distance, then turns 90 degrees right. From here he again turns right 90 degrees. So he will reach here back again. Then walks some distance and goes straight. In which direction is the person going now? Now can you see this is getting too haphazard? What we could have rather done, this is fine. Okay, now in this way also you can get the answer, but eventually what you want is simply he is going in west direction. Now turns left 45, so means what, minus of 45, then walks some distance, then turns left 135, that means minus of 135, walks some distance, then turns right 45 degree, right 45 means plus 45, and walks some distance, then turns right 90 degree. So right 90 degree means plus 90 degrees, and walks some distance, which goes and then goes straight. Straight means whatever direction is going. So eventually here also you have got the answer as southwest. Let's calculate it using this. So what, 45 and 45 cancel out, minus 135 plus 90, what comes out to be minus 45 degree. That means from west you have to go 45 degree in anti-clockwise direction, where you reach southwest without that much trouble that we had to go that time. This is the way that you should be using. Okay, so this is how you find initial, you find the change in their direction based on whatever movement is there. You can try one more. Let's do this. So Ram walks distance of 10 meters from his house in the south direction. Okay, so this is 10 meters. Then turns left and covers a distance of 15 meters. So from here left will be forming a L. So turns left and covers 15 meters. Then turns right and covers some distance. So from here, while going in this direction, he turns right. So right means what? This direction. Now it is asked in which direction is he facing now. So it is simple, 10, 15 is fine. Then he is moving in this direction. Which direction this is? This is south direction. So answer comes out to be which direction he is facing now. So this comes out to be south. Simply you have to draw. If I give you a person is going in north, he goes 20 meters, then he turns left. Then he turns left and goes 10 meters, then he turns left again and goes 10 meters. In which direction is he going now? Simply again you can get to south. Based on whatever is given, you just draw the diagram. Okay, that's it for this